Hi friends, it's Stacy at Florida Life Real Estate Agency and Mobile Home Sales. I'd like to show you around this home today, so let's get to it. This home is located in Leisure Lakes. It's 78 Leisure Way in Palmetto, Florida. For pricing and details on this home, please see the description under the title below, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to be notified for future videos. You can get a feel for the community here and see that the roads are quite wide and have recently been paved. This is a 1963 single wide home with 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. It's a single wide with an expansion and just over 1,000 square feet. The home is being offered turnkey furnished, including the 2 bikes we see parked out front. This home has a nice blend of vintage character with practical updates. The kitchen is fully outfitted and has a propane gas range. There's lots of nice built-ins here. Everything has a good use of space and plenty of storage. The living room area has about a 2-foot lift in the ceiling height, giving it a little bit more open feeling. There's also a little bump out seating area. The entire home has hard surface flooring with a mix of laminate and vinyl plank. Lots of cubby cabinet space in the hallway. There's bypass doors here for space saving. And a full bathroom with shower tub enclosure. This would be the original bedroom. Again, lots of built-in storage. More bypass doors here. This enters the expansion portion of the home. This is a really nice flex space currently being used as an office and laundry area. There is an additional window unit for this back portion of the home if needed. And the second bedroom here shown with the king-size bed, plenty of room here. This also has an exit directly out to the carport. To your right is steps up directly to the bathroom. and right outside to your sunny private patio. You have an additional storage shed here. It does have hurricane tie downs. The awnings are all in great working condition. And the home has a good skirting guard around the perimeter here. Plenty of room in this driveway for 2 vehicles. This is a great home for a Florida getaway or year-round living that's been well cared for and easy to maintain. Leisure Lakes is a gated 55-plus co-op community that's land-owned with low monthly maintenance fees. This is an active community with fitness center, pickleball courts, horseshoe pits, swimming pool, clubhouse, numerous small clubs to join, including an on-site ceramics group with their own kiln, and conveniently located on the Gulf Coast between Sarasota, Bradenton area and St. Pete, Tampa area. Thanks again for checking out this Florida Life listing. If you have any questions about this home or others that might be available, feel free to give me a call or text at 941-809-1318. Again, it's 941-809-1318. I'm always happy to set up a personalized search for you to find just the right home for you. And if you're thinking about listing your home, Florida Life can help you with all your real estate needs, including manufactured housing in land lease parks. I'd love to hear from you. Once again, our phone number is 941-809-1318. You can also find us on the web at floridaliferealestateagency.com or floridalifemobilehomesales.com. No matter how you find us, I'll be happy that you did. Have a great day, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye for now. For pricing and full details on this home, please see the description under the title below, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to be notified for future videos.